Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So for today I have a really cool project with the creative cord. Here's the label. So the full name is Creative Cotton Cord. And we had a haul where I showed it to you, so I decided that I want to try it out real soon. I really liked it. So we're going to get a very pretty result. Here is what we're going to be doing today. So we have here 100% cotton, 25 meters, and I can't find any recommendations as far as the hook size goes. So if you want this color, it's number 3, this lovely pinkish shade. And because of the length, I wanted to do something a bit different, so no crocheting or knitting this time. So I'm doing a very simple decorative way to put up your jars or flower pots or something similar. So this is going to be a super simple project and you're going to see it in a minute. So all you're going to need is one knot, and that's how we're going to keep it all together. So this is the design, that's going to be the end result, and if you want to see how you can do it all by yourself, stay tuned. So depending on how long you want your result to be, you might need a bit more or a bit less than what I'm doing. But I do recommend using a bit more than a bit less if you're unsure how you want to have it in the end. So I'll take a bit over a meter or a bit over a yard. Okay, this looks good. I'll cut there. And also, as I said, you can always shorten if this is too long, but if you don't have enough, you have to knot it onto the main piece and it just doesn't look as nice with all the knots going on. So let's tie one knot at the very end. Okay, so we want it tight so that it doesn't open up or do anything weird. So let's now lay it onto our surface. Okay, so here is the shape that you want to have it in. So one loop in the middle here. So just one cross on here for now, and that's where you want your jar or your pot to go. Now I'll take the other end and I'll put it over it and pull through this little end. And now we can take that whole end and put it over the other side of our jar. There we are. Now the inner loops we want going a bit to the outside. And now we take these and carefully pull it tight. And take your time with this. Make sure it's neat. Make sure your jar stays in position. So you can adjust a bit now and make sure it's all symmetrical and straight, and then you take or you pick it up and you check if it still looks good. So I'm just gonna put a little flower inside, but this part is of course up to you what you want to put inside. You can of course choose depending on what you have or want. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to shoot a thumbs up to let us know if you did. You can also subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all of our future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!